Are you looking to level up your real estate sales game? Get ready for the number one activity that will boost your communication skills and set you apart from the competition. So let's dive right in, but well, first, don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Plus, check out the link in the description for a complimentary copy of my new ebook, Unlocking the Potential of ChatGPT. So diving right in, daily activity number one, script practice and role play. Mastering what you say and how you say it is crucial in sales. But here's the game changer. ChatGPT can write phone and video scripts that captivate your audience. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to persuasive dialogue that helps you close more deals. Are you ready to enhance your script game with ChatGPT? Message me or click the link below to learn more.